welcome to another episode of More Photography. In this episode I am at the same location as last time, Maridalsvannet, Nordmarka, Oslo. But in this episode I am not bringing the Sony A7R4. I'm instead using the Olympus OMD EM1 Mark III along with the 300mm compared to the 200 to 600mm on the Sony. So this lens is way lighter to carry around. It has more stabilization, so I did not bring my tripod either. But I lose the ability to crop in a lot, like I do with the Sony A7R4. So that is a little compromise there for lighter weight and better stabilization. I'm also using the Sony this time for the vlogging instead of the Olympus, which I normally use. So it's a little bit lighter here as well, but it's a little bit worse stabilization, as you're probably going to see when I'm walking and vlogging. It's kind of okay, I think, for now, but there is a huge difference between the Sony stabilization and Olympus stabilization, and that is of course that this is the full frame and this is a crop micro four thirds sensor. But yeah, so I'm back out in nature, and I'll see. My mission today is to see if I can get another picture of the roe deer, maybe some birds as well, since it's more spring now than winter. The snow is melting. There is some snow down here in this area here, so a little bit more shadow, so it's not that much sun. So snow is still a little bit around, but it's way more warmer now, more spring, so birds are singing way more, and there's a little bit more warmth in the air, so it's a little bit nicer to walk around this time. Last time there was really misty and grim, which is kind of cool for forest photography and so on. But now there is blue skies, sun is hitting directly, so it's really sharp light. But I still have some hopes to capture some roe or some birds, so let's see. I hope you stay tuned and enjoy the episode. Alright. So that's I think that's the 6th jaybird I've seen. So they're all in this area making the noise, and I really hope that the camera can catch it, or the microphone on the camera can catch it. But I think I'll walk a little bit around the area and see if I can catch another picture of the jaybird. But I've seen 6 now, 6 right in this area. There's a little bit downhill here and a little like a river going here, a frozen river. I'll go a little bit up and around and I'll see if I can catch a video of the jaybird and a picture, of course. But hopefully a video, because I do not have the jaybird on video yet. So that is kind of what I want the most. So yeah, let's see. I'll just go up and around and see if I can sneak in and grab a picture and a video. Alright. See this path of ice here, or this line of ice, that's actually the pathway. So I'm wondering if I should go down that path, see if there's something in the river I may take a picture of, or if we should just head back. Right now it seems like I can walk on the sides and skip the ice a little bit. So I think I'll actually just do it, go down here and then go backwards up to where I was in the beginning. I did not see any row. I did see a lot of trails and so on, but did not see anything. There's a lot of people here today. This is a weekend, so there's a lot of people walking trips and other photographers as well. So I think the row is more further inland than they are on weekdays. But anyways, I did capture a video and a picture of a jay, so that's quite good. It's a really beautiful bird. Makes some really weird sounds, but still it's really beautiful. So hopefully I will get some more pictures down here. There's of course spotted beavers in this river as well. So let's hope for the best. Otherwise I'm just gonna head back and maybe go back to where I started and see if I can get some more pictures of small birds or something. Alright, onwards. Poured myself a cup of coffee, took a little break. Did not see any roes or elk on the way over here, but I did capture some nice time lapse and some nice video here and there just for fun. Otherwise, I did capture, as I said earlier, the jaybird, and also capture a picture of the spettmice and gulspurv. I'm not sure what they call in English, but I'll leave the English name on the picture. Overall, I think it's a good day. Really nice weather, nice to be out in nature, and I think I've got some content for you guys to see. So overall, I'm kind of happy. I'm gonna head back now, down along the river and then up and then take the bus home. But if I spot something on the way, I'll just share it after this. Otherwise, I hope you enjoyed the video and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.